everybody. Today I'm going to teach you the simplification questions, and in simplification we are going to solve the roots of the roots. So let's see how we will solve these. So you have to find out the value of under root 72 plus under root 72 plus under root 72, and it is going to infinity. Infinity means you have to add under root 72 infinite times, and the A, B, C, D are the options given to you. So you have to tick mark the correct option. Now you have to first assume the whole term, like x is equals to under root 72 plus under root 72 plus under root 72, and this is going to infinity. Now you have to first look at this term. You have to remove the under root. So first what you will do, you will square both the sides. To remove the under root of this under root 72, you have to square it from both the sides. Now, if you will square, make a square on x, so it will become x square. And then look at the under root 72. So if you will make the square of under root 72, then the square of under root 72 will be removed. And what will be left with you? This under root 72 will become 72, and then under root 72 plus under root 72 plus under root 72. Now already you can see in this step what is under root 72 plus under root 72 plus under root 72. This is x. So now in the next step, in place of under root 72 plus under root 72 plus under root 72, we will write this x. So in the next step, x square as it is equals to 72 as it is. Now in place of this under root, we will write x. So now x is in the next step, x square. Now bring the x on the another side of the is equal to, on the left side of the is equals to. So this will become under root x square minus x, and this is plus 72. So plus 72 will become minus 72 is equals to 0. Now you have to solve this equation. So first, how you will solve this equation? You will find the factors of 72. So what are the two factors of 72? 9 and 8, because 9 8 is 72, and then this is minus 72, so minus 9 and then plus 8, and here this is minus 1, so minus 9, this is minus 9 plus 8, minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. So like this, x square minus 9x plus 8x minus 72 is equals to 0. Now, in your classes already you have done how you have to find solve the equation. So you will take x out from this term. So in the bracket, what is left? X is left here, minus 9 is left here. Then in the next term, from this term, you will take 8 outside. So this is plus 8. Then in the bracket, you will write x. Then from 72, if you divide 72 by 8, you will get here 9. So this x minus 9 will be left here. This is equals to now 0. So now you have two factors, x plus 8. So I have written here x plus 8, and then another factor is x minus 9. So x minus 9 is also written here. So now because x is equals to, now if you will do x minus 9 is equals to 0. X minus 9 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 9. Now x plus 8 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 8. And you will not take the negative term. You have got these two terms. You have got 9 and you have got 8 also. But 9 is positive. So your answer will be positive. So like this, you have to solve this. And now D option is your correct option for this question. Now, in the next question, you can see what is written on the screen is under root x plus under root x plus under root x. So now the options given to you is A, B, C, and D. So now, as we have done in the previous question, let x is equals to whole of this term. Whole of this term is x. So now again squaring both the sides, now x will become x squared. This is equals to now under root x. So when you will take the square on this side, under root will be removed. Okay. So this is 6 will be left here plus the whole of this term is here. So now x squared is equals to 6 plus, because whole of this term we have already assumed is x. So x. Now this is the quadratic equation we have to solve. Now x squared, then minus x on left hand side we have taken, then minus 6 is equals to 0. Now we have to take the factors of 6. So 3 and 2 are the factors of 6. We have to do the factorization here. Now here this is minus x. So this will be minus 3 and plus 2. Because minus 3 plus 2 is equals to minus 1. So here this is minus x, and then you have to solve it. So x I have taken out. Now in the bracket, x minus 3 will be left. Then plus 2 is taken out in the bracket. X is left. Then 2 3 is 6. So 3 is written here is equals to 0. Now x plus 2 is equals to and in the bracket, you can see this x plus 2. Then in the bracket, you can see x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now, here you can see x is equals to here minus 2 and x is equals to 3 here. So we will have to take the positive term. So x is equals to 3 is the answer. So in the option, you can see now D is the correct option for this question. Now, in the next question, it is shown to you under root 12 plus under root 12 plus under root 12 goes to infinity. A, B, C, D are the options given to you. So you can now assume x is equals to whole of the term. Then you have to make the squaring on both the sides. Now, after squaring, x will become x square is equals to, then under root of this term will be removed, because we will square on this side. So under root 12 will become only 12 because we have squared it. Now plus whole of the term. Now x square is equals to 12 plus x. So now, as you have done in the previous questions, you have to solve this equation like I have shown you on the screen. And then here x square is equals to 12 plus x square minus x minus 12 is equals to 0. Now we have to do the factorization of 12. So x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 is equals to 0, because minus 1 is here. So this will be 4 will be negative. So minus 4 plus 3 is equals to minus 1. So now here x you will take out, and then x minus 4. Then in the bracket plus 3 you will take out. Then here x minus 4 is equals to 0. So x minus 4 and x plus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to 4. So you have to take the positive term. So here x is equals to 4. So your correct option is B part here. In the next question, you can see you have to find out the value of under root 30 plus under root 30 plus under root 30, and it is going to infinity. A, B, C, D are the options given to you here. So as we have done in the previous questions, like the same, you will assume here let x is equals to this term. Now you will square both the sides. So on squaring both the sides, x is equals to x square is equals to, because you have made the square on under root 30. So under root will be removed here. So 30 will be left here. So 30 plus the whole of the term. Now, as you have already done in the previous questions, this whole of the term is x. So in the next step, x square is equals to 30 plus x. So x square minus x minus 30 is equals to 0. Now make the factorization here. X square minus 6x plus 5x minus 30 is equals to 0. So x you will take out from the term. X is common in both the terms. So x, in the bracket you will write x minus 6. Then 5 is common in both the terms. So plus 5 you will take out. So x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now x minus, you have two terms, x minus 6 and x plus 5 is equals to 0. These two terms are here. So because x is equals to 6, it will be positive, and x is equals to minus 5, it will be negative. So you will take only positive terms. So x is equal to 6 is the option. So here you can see A part is your correct option. So today I have discussed all the questions where the roots are in plus. So in the next part of our video, we will discuss with the next possibilities. Thanks for watching my video.